Hello! Second outfit ni Ellie. Yan, green. Striped green. Hello! Beautiful!
Yay!
So we're here at Balogo, Pasakaw, Camarines Sur. Ito yung daroan ako, kitang-kita. Medyo umulan kanina pero tumigil na. So tara mag-swimming tayo.
Ang muruot. Look at this.
What's that?
Sail.
Shell? Oh, put it there. Say hi. Hi guys. Jump! Oh. Darawanak! What are you doing? You're digging. You build up, sandcastle, go!
I'm finding the treasure.
The treasure? What treasure? Pirate treasure. Oh, you make, sandcastle. Go. Walk, go, walk. Wow. What's that?
So much
Oh,
fun.
let's swim. Let's swim. Oh, it's so much fun daw. Wow. Ay, ayaw na. So guys, malapit na yung summer. So first swimming namin to. First swimming this March. It's Sunday po. Tomorrow may klase, may pasok. Aya, look here. Say hi. Why? That. Kakagising lang ni Ellie, pero kanina nakapagligo na siya, nakapag-swim na siya. Why? Ayaw mo na? Ayaw mo na? Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, let's go. Let's swim, let's swim. Mukhang ayaw niya na, guys. How about Aya? You want to swim pa?
Yes.
Hoy po! Okay. Okay, hindi na mag-swim si Ellie. Pagod na siya. Ellie! Ellie! Hello! It's raining na! Oh no! Come on, come, come, come! Ellie! Tap, tap, tap! Tap, tap, tap! Let's go to Ellie, come on! Dito lang tayo. Guys, umuulan na. Come na, come na. It's raining. Come here. Come here, Aya. It's raining na po. Balik namin ng cottage kasi medyo maulan na. Aya!
Timuran.